Yeah, you're up.
So hi guys, my name is Ankit Gadgir and I'm a student of MSc CA Finance in this college and also a Mozilla rep now. Let's start with why I chose Mozilla. I like the Mozilla mission. Seriously, like creating an open web is just an awesome idea which nobody follows with such enthusiasm and commitment. And there is where I found Mozilla to be very nice and I came into it. The curiosity of using Firefox in everyday life and then able to contribute to develop something that you and others would also use is the main thing that I came into Mozilla for. So that I would go and brag to people that okay, this is what I've made. I've not done something like that yet, but I'll be doing it in the future. The next is what I work on at Mozilla. Now, basically I work at community building, a bit of localization, some of WebMaker, and also I'm trying to get into Firefox OS through Freddy now. So, so it's like I have too many broths to cook. I'll do that. Then, what am I excited for 2013? Now, Firefox OS is what I'm excited about 2013. People here in India, we will be trying our level best to contribute to Firefox OS in any way we can. Then there is the WebMaker project, as Sayak mentioned, which is a bit, new tools are coming up, and the existing tools are awesome. New tools would be more awesome. And then there is newer localization going on, the new reps being signed, so the community is growing. So this is what I'm excited about. Then SWOT analysis. Okay, so strengths. Everybody said we have a very nice, great community. I will also say the same. We have a very diverse community. Many people around from various regions are here, with right from developers to contributors like localization and speakers like me. So we are a group of people who have diverse interests and diverse strengths, and we can utilize them in growing this community much further. Weakness. Yeah, I have a bit of weaknesses listed out. One is like non-availability of templates for events, like how to contribute. If a new person comes up with an event, if he says, okay, I want to host an event, he does it by himself, right? If you have a template of doing it, it will be in a perfect manner, and that is what I think is lacking right now. Then I feel that we should have more eventful events in the future. We need a place to register the new contributors. We are working on that for Mozilla India website, so that people who are new to Mozilla at least feel that okay, I'm registered somewhere, my name is there on the website, so yeah, I am a part of Mozilla. Nobody's forgetting me. You're not forgetted obviously, but that makes you feel better. Then there are opportunities coming up, like more development and voluntary contributions for Firefox OS will be there. We have lesser developers right now, but I think Soumya would be more than happy to take in more developers on his side, along with Nagarjuna. And the threats now. Oh yeah. We think that we should be very careful on selection of newer reps. I would not go into details. I think that is enough said. There are a lot of inactive reps right now, so we need to figure out something which would actually get us through that particular problem. I don't think the next thing that I'm going to say applies to everybody, but it might apply in the future, that we should make a track of individuals who are trying to identify themselves using others. So that's enough said. Thank you so much.
Thanks, Ankit. And next we'll have Ashish.
Good morning, everyone. I'm Ashish Namdev. I'm from Bangalore now, but basically I belong to Bhopal. I've done my study in Bhopal and right now I'm in Renaissance Mobile, Bangalore. Okay. So here, very nice to see you all here. Very nice time with the community. So why I choose Mozilla? With me, it's a very different story why I choose Mozilla. The first thing, T-shirt attracted me towards Mozilla. So I decided. Then later I come to know the point that what is open source and all. I just listened open source, open web, freedom, like this. Then I just wanted to grow things. Just wanted to dig what is this exactly. Then things came in mind. Okay, let's join this. You will learn. Then I was continuously going in, and now I'm part of Mozilla Reps. I'm part of Mozilla community. So a lot of things I come to know, whatever I want to know and continuously doing. So the thing is here, open web, you can contribute to open source. I even didn't know what is open source. The name only I heard open source. So this is the community which come to know that open source, what is open source. So now I know everything. What I work on at Mozilla. Right now I'm working on Sumo as Army of Awesome, and when I started Hindi localization and Hindi local, I was working with Hindi localization, but for some couple of months I was not able to do that. So now I'm doing just Army of Awesome, and very soon that student reps program will be coming. So I will be helping the student reps to come up with their ideas. What I'm excited for 2013. Okay. It's enough now. I have a lot of t-shirts. So, excitement about the t-shirt I'm wearing Firefox OS. So I'm excited about Firefox OS. And the good thing that I'm gonna start as a developer with Mozilla. So the thing exciting me a lot. And virtual hackathon. Seriously, I'm excited for that. So now the sweat. There's nothing much to say. Everybody have discussed about strength, weakness. I just want to add our strength is our unity. That's the only one point is our strength. Okay, opportunities. See, opportunities you'll have that I didn't know anything, but I came. Opportunity will be coming and coming. Right now, web making, we have very good things, web maker here. So that might be opportunity to start with web. You can hack the web using Thimble. You can create your own things. So lot of opportunities are there. And weakness. Weakness. Some people get t-shirts and they escape. So that's one of weakness. When some newcomers come with the excitement, they get the things, then they are sitting idle. That's inactivity. That's called inactivity. So that's what our somewhat weakness is here. Will come up very soon. So and threats. This might be also a threat for us. That people come sitting idle, then or not joining us in events, in meetings like this, not attending anything, but they are part of community. So we should think about this, and we are working on this. Will overcome. Okay, then I just want to say, इतनी शक्ति हमें देना दाता, contribution Mozilla में कम होना. Thank you very much.
Thanks, Ashish. And next we'll have. I think let's go with the line. So we'll have Gaurav.
So hello everyone, myself Gaurav Patra, and I'm studying computer science and technology in D College Sirpur. You may have heard of that. And why I have choose Mozilla? I have choose Mozilla for three things actually. It is open source, it is web based, and thirdly, accidentally. Third point, what I've done for Mozilla. You may have heard of an event Mostia at Besu, which is Mozilla transposing ideas at Besu. So I, along with my friend Shubhashish, we have organized that. And as an outcome of that event, we have formed a Mozilla club in Kolkata, and I can proudly tell you that we have a dedicated space, a dedicated lab, 24-hour dedicated labs for the community in Kolkata, and we are trying to grow that community. And fourth point is that what are the excited things in 2013? It is Fire4OS. And since I am from the development background and from a computer science background, so I will try to contribute to the development world. And as far as the SWOT analysis is concerned, I am very much new to this community. Just 1 month ago I have joined that. So I have nothing more to add to what I have heard so far. I just want to tell that as we can see, we all belong to the same age group. So obviously the bond among us is very strong, and all of us are very friendly, and this will definitely help to grow this community. Thank you.
Thank you.
Hello everyone, I am Shubhashish Kundu. I am currently pursuing my Bachelor of Engineering degree in Computer Science and Technology in Besu, Shibpur. First question, why I choose Mozilla? Actually, I love web development, and I also am an open source enthusiast. So I wanted to contribute in open source, so I choose Mozilla. And what I have done for Mozilla till now, we have formed Mozilla Kolkata community. And we, as Gaurav told that we have a dedicated space for Mozilla Kolkata community. We have a lab. We have our own server, and we organize a Mosti at Besu event. And what the exciting thing in 2013, I just 2 days ago I participated in Firefox OS hackathon, and that's the most exciting thing for me. And I love Firefox OS, and we are planning to organize a Firefox OS hackathon in Kolkata on 22nd March and 23rd March. So you are all invited for that, and thank you. And
Thank you so much, Subhashish. And next we have Komal Gandhi.
Hello everyone, this is Komal Gandhi from Bhopal. I am doing JNIND, Software Engineering, second year student, and I am a Mozilla rep as well as. Why I choose Mozilla? I am choosing Mozilla because of open source, and as well as even there are lots of web making tools, and like I am so getting interested that what is open source. So I joined and get know more about what is it exactly, and what I work in Mozilla. So I am working in Mozilla and support Mozilla, webmaker, Hindi localization, and spread an awareness about Mozilla and its mission. And the most excited thing for 2013. There is I have a BUMOS event which is called Bumania. I give the ramp of the event, and the exciting thing is that I talked about some BUMOS out of country like Catherine, Dolphin, Morel, and they are also support me for this event, and they are coming to India, and they are so many exciting to come India and join this event. So this is the very exciting thing for me. Thank you.
Thank you, Komal. Sarah.
Hello everyone, I am Sarah Khan. I am pursuing my MCA from Alana Institute of Management Sciences. and also I'm doing an internship from Zento System as a PHP developer. Why I joined Mozilla? Last year I came to Unify. Here I have seen that what is an open source, how can I contribute to Mozilla, everything. I'm very passionate about open source. So I thought it's a good opportunity to work with Mozilla and I can put my effort in Mozilla, being a Mozillian. Then what I work on at Mozilla. Currently I'm working on localization in Hindi and Urdu and Firefox OS. I have also worked for WebMaker during the session at the Moz Carnival Unify last year and in our Moz Fest Pune, that event which we have conducted in our college. Then what I'm excited for 2013 is, first is the Firefox OS. Then the next thing is I have planned for an event, basically where event in the women's college where I can contribute more women for the Mozilla. So that at here only there are few women from India. So what I am planning to have much more contributors for the women's community so that they can spread their word and can work as a whole community, as a whole India. Then strong SWOT analysis is, as everybody has said, it's really a good, very enthusiastic that everyone is working as a one with a mission, as a united mission with the whole India. So that's it.
Thank you so much, Sarah. And next we have Gautam Raj. Raj.
So, good morning everyone. I'm Gautam Raj. You can call me as Raj. I'm right now working in an MNC at Chennai. I completed my BE graduation in Computer Science Engineering last year. First question. I done my introduction. So, second. Why I choose Mozilla? Basically, I am very much passionate about open source. Hence, I am the founder of FOSS Club in my college. I was a student rep before I get into the Mozilla Webs program. What I found very interesting in Mozilla is whatever you do, even if it is a small thing, you will be well recognized, because I'm basically from a very rural place where it will be very hard for you to find internet connectivity. But I have tried to teach people in such a way that they understand, and I just share those things to the Mozilla, and they really appreciated my work, which really encouraged me to proceed further. And next, what I work on Mozilla. Actually, I work on many things. The first thing will be community building. I'm trying to create a separate community in Tamil for the language Tamil. For that, I have been mainly focusing on the people who are at the age of less than 17, because I don't want to focus on 2015. I want to focus on the future of Mozilla at the year of 2020, because they will be the next generation. When I just go and talk to, okay, thanks, yes. When I want to just go and talk to the people who are in their college days, they'll say they'll be happy to hear my words and try the things for the 1 or 2 days. After that, they forgot, because they must have already trained in some technologies. Instead, if we are actually focusing on the people who are at the age of 17, those things will be definitely new to them, and hence they'll be whenever they find time, they'll definitely try out those things. Hence, when they come up, they'll definitely try to explore more and learn the things. And apart from community building, I'm work on WebMaker project with SAYAC and most of the other community members. Right now, we are focusing on the project GenOpen. GenOpen stands for Generation Open, which actually focus on people who are under the age of 17. Teaching web making skills to the people under the age of 17. And next comes localization. I'm right now leading the localization effort for Tamil, and we are almost 60% done. Hopefully, by the end of June, you all can expect the official version of Tamil. Apart from these things, I'm recently selected as, promoted as Reps Mentor. Next, what I'm excited about 2013. As I said earlier, I'm pretty much excited about the official launch of Firefox Tamil, and I'm a part of a Facebook Social API Task Force. As Shaq said, I'm excited about new tools for WebMaker, and obviously GenOpen as well. And I'm also excited about Firefox Clicks event. Apart from that, next week I'll be going for the community leaders meetup at Nepal. So I'm really very much excited about that. And also about the web training days at Greece by the first week of March. Next. Strength. Most of my community members talked about strength, weakness, opportunities, and threats. So I just want to add 2 points to opportunities. We can see more people want to get into the world of open source. That's actually a positive sign. We are getting this. We are seeing this through our events where we are seeing a lot of people coming and talk to us. How do I do this? How do I do that? So I'm not sure we are just following up properly with them. Like if someone is interested, we are just giving our contact details to them. Instead, we can just get their email address or something. After 2 or 3 days, we can just send them a mail like, hey, we met him, you have asked these things, are you interested? I think we can do that. Yeah, that's it. Thanks a lot.
Thank you so much, Raj.
Browser localization. It was already beta. Yes, I understand, but and somehow I don't know what Mozilla officials right there. I don't know what happened, but somehow it was able to release with other languages.
Sorry?